21 tips to grow your business online in 2021. Now this is part 1 of 2, so you're going to want to watch both parts, but I'll cover half of the tips in this video and then the other half in the other video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget, you also need to ring the bell. You need to turn on bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or I post one of these videos. Now in this video, it's going to be like super helpful because you're going to have all the tips you're going to need to grow your business. So let's jump right into it right now and let's get going. Also, I want to remind you at the end of this video, I've got a free course. You can opt in for that. No credit card required. Just click and learn. Okay. So the first thing is the one thing that most people don't want to do, but you got to do it. You got to be a prolific content creator. Okay, so what can you do with your brand that gets across to people that is going to actually resonate with them? Now if you think of, let's say, Dove soap is just soap, but what they've been doing is posting a lot of content that has to do with positive self-body image. So what can you do with your brand? Now our brand has to do with survival food. I own a company that's a survival food company, so we post content that shows how to keep your family safe. What can you do with your brand? What kind of videos, what kind of blog posts can you do that are going to bring people in and have them resonate with your brand? Number 2 is build a content website or start some sort of blog already on your website. This is super important, guys. What can you do to keep them on your website? What can you do to keep them scrolling? What can you do to keep them reading? What can you do to keep them watching? These are things you're going to have to do to grow your brand as the years go on. Number 3, build your email list. This is something I didn't do in the beginning. It's so very important. Now had I have known what I know now, I would have been working on my email list. And email lists are easy to build. Okay, it's not a matter of saying sign up for our newsletter, because most people aren't going to do that. But if you offer them free downloads, if you offer them free lists, free guides, if they give up their email, you will build your email list. And when you build your email list, you can market to that list and make a tremendous amount of money. You've got to build your email list, guys. This is super important. Number 4, create and grow a Facebook group. People are segregating into these groups. Okay, they want to be part of a group that talks about subject matter that they are interested in. So how can you facilitate that? How can you build a group around your particular subject? Okay, so I have several different groups, and some of them have to do with making money online, some of them have to do with survival. What group can you grow? What group can you build to build this list of people that are interested in you and your company? All these things matter. Okay, all these things matter. You may not be able to do every single one of them in the beginning, but building a Facebook group is a really great way to get started. Next one, number 5, increase your organic traffic by using Pinterest. Now I've always been a website person and a Facebook person, and I never used Pinterest much, but I tell you what, it's a great way to grow your business. Okay, if you can post pictures in Pinterest that hold people's interest, that get them interested in your company, it works great. There's also an app called Grow, G-R-O-W, you can check out, and that will help you in posting on Pinterest and does a lot of this stuff automatically for you. So check that out. Build your Pinterest interest. Number 6, and you're going to see that this is dear to my heart, build a YouTube channel. I'm on YouTube right now. A YouTube channel, guys, is so very, very important. And I know some of you don't want to make videos, but you just got to get over that hump. Okay, if you want to grow your business in the coming years, you've got to get over that hump. Having a YouTube channel can build your audience dramatically. And the thing about YouTube is it's free. It doesn't even cost you anything to do videos on YouTube. Why wouldn't you do that? I understand the fear of making videos. I understand the fear of getting in front of a camera, but once you've done it a few times, or in my case over 1,000 times, you just kind of get used to it. You want to build a YouTube channel, guys. This is one of the things that I think that every single business, every single individual for that matter, should probably do, is to grow a YouTube channel. Why not have a following? Why not have people watching your videos? Why not be able to speak to your audience through a medium like video? And YouTube is the best way to do it. Number 7, run giveaways or contests. Oh my gosh, this is so important, guys. Now I want you to think about this. We sell survival food, and if we put up a prize like some survival food, some freeze-dried or dehydrated meals or some of our canned meats, and people apply or people enter that contest to win that product, they have an interest in that product. Okay, so I'm not going to have somebody who doesn't care anything about food storage entering my contest. I'm only going to have people who are very interested in that particular product. Now here's the cool thing you can do. Once you've run your contest and you've done your giveaway, you can take the list of people who actually entered for that particular drawing and send them a coupon for a discount on that particular product. Think about it. They already like that product, and if you send them a coupon or a discount code for that product, odds are they're going to buy some of it. So not only have you run a really cool contest and given people stuff for free, but you also can sell to that audience of people who actually entered the contest. Number 8, host a quiz. Yes, a quiz. Okay, we have different quizzes, but one of the ones that was really successful for us was, are you a true survivalist? Are you a true survivalist? Now think about this. People who are buying survival food, which I own a survival food company, they want to know that they're prepared. They want to know that they are the kind of like top group of people who are prepared for this type of thing. So they would love to do stuff like quizzes like that. And once I do a quiz like that, I'm gathering all those names and emails, and I can put them on my list and actually market my product to those particular people. And it's kind of fun too. When they do one of these quizzes, they see what their score is, they see how well they did, and you can build your list. So do some sort of quiz around your business. It's so easy to do. Number 9, partner with brands and businesses that are in your niche. Now think about this. We own a survival food company, so I could partner with somebody who sells some type of survival tools. I could partner with somebody who maybe has bunkers that are underground. I could partner with people who have maybe gun rights. All of these things kind of match together, and those people are also looking to partner with you. I know there's that internal fear where like, I'm going to contact somebody and they're not going to be interested. So what? Some people won't be interested, but here's the cool thing. If you contact enough people, some people will be interested. So just find people within your niche. Let's say you're in the exercise and fitness niche, okay, and let's say you're a big bodybuilding guy and you're a big tough guy. You may want to partner with some type of female out there that is teaching women how to be in shape. You may want to partner out there with some type of nutrition company that sells vitamins. You may want to partner out there with some types of exercise equipment companies out there. There's so many possibilities no matter what niche you're in, but you need to partner with other people that are similar to your brand and your products. Number 10, reach out to influencers. Now you may have thought in the past that an influencer was going to be way too expensive. You're thinking Kim Kardashian or something like that, but that's not what you need to look for. All you need to do is find somebody who has about 1,000 followers, or maybe 5,000, or maybe even 10,000 followers. You will be surprised how inexpensive it is for them to do a shout out to their audience. Somebody who has 1,000 or 5,000 followers, you know, if you got, you know, a 5% sales or 2% sales off those people, you'd be doing pretty darn good. So you want to check out these influencers out there. They don't have to be big names anymore. As a matter of fact, it's more trustworthy if it's an individual that people can relate to. Some of these smaller groups, some of these smaller influencers have a much bigger reach and a much better influence over their audience than do somebody who have millions of people. Somebody who has millions of people, quite honestly, they can't connect with all those people, but somebody who's got 5,000 or 10,000 people following them, they can. And you'll find that some of the expense of having them do a shout out is well worth it. Sometimes it's 50 or 100 bucks or 200 bucks, and that's well worth it to get your name in front of their viewers who are already interested in your niche. So that concludes the first 10 things you can do, but remember, I've got 21 things you can do, and since I've got 21 things you could do, you need to watch the next video. I'm going to put a link below. That's going to be part 2 of this particular series, so you're going to want to watch that also. But make sure you do these things, guys. I mean, all these things sound good on the surface, and I think sometimes we forget to do these things. I think sometimes they sound like great ideas, but later on they get pushed aside. You want to go through this video and you want to write down each one of these ideas and actually put it into practice. I think you'll be amazed how much results you get off these particular ideas, but you got to do them. You got to do it. That's the big key, guys. A lot of people know these things, they see these things, but they don't actually do them. So make sure you put them into practice. Now at the end of this video, I promised you a course. It is below. All you gotta do is click and learn. In that particular course, you can learn how to make money online. It doesn't even cost you anything. It's just a click and learn course. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live, or if I just upload a video. It's going to save you a lot of time. Thanks so much for watching this video. Go on to video 2 right now and finish this series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.